No. Shout out to our friends at Lexus. Look at this sleek car. So cute. Morning, guys. It is around, nope, it's not 2:20 p.m. It is 12:20.
Yeah, my car.
That was like, the people at Lexus just picked up our car, so I'm gonna show you guys a couple shots of that car, and we are so thankful that they let us use a car for the first couple days that we were in town. So we loved that car. Super smooth ride, super quiet. Can't find my seatbelt. I guess I didn't do anything else today. I've just been editing some, and now we're gonna go to IKEA. There's not one remotely nearby, but we're going to it to see what they have so we can keep getting our place stocked. We live in California. IKEA. It's actually my first time in IKEA. I think we have one in North Carolina and Charlotte that's not close to me. So I'm excited, and this place is bigger than anticipated.
Bigger than Texas.
Progress. Glasses, blankets, pillows, random things, more random things. Oh, vlog. I think I did it. So I literally have my sink and then my soap like thing on top of that, and then my camera balancing on the top of the soap dispenser. So we're doing good. It's working so far. I just thought I'd vlog while I get ready. Where does the time go? You know, like it's 5, oh my gosh, it's 5 o'clock. I woke up at 7:30 this morning, even though I was up till like almost 2 doing stuff last night, and just like, I don't know. I've slept like not much at all the past 3 nights because of just like so much going on. We're getting a sectional delivered tomorrow that we bought from a guy on an app called OfferUp. Why pay for new furniture? I think I might have a desk lined up. Hopefully that'll get here this weekend. If it doesn't work out with that girl, I need a desk. I am gonna do a big home decor haul as well today. What have we done? What have we done? I got some editing done. We waited around for the guy to come pick up the Lexus because now me and Janine's cars are here. Went to IKEA, which was like, again, far away. It wasn't as like, as we were walking up, I was like, this is where dreams are made of. And now I'm like, no, this is where dreams come to die. Cause like, it's great because you get a bunch of stuff for like cheap, but it was just such a process. Like, I was excited for a minute and then suddenly I wasn't when I realized how much further I had to go to get to the exit. But yeah, I got some much needed things. Me and Janine literally both were just like so over it at one point. Our carts were already full and we were just like, let's just leave. And then we came back here and we've been so tired all day, and like I hadn't had coffee or anything, which I'm not someone who like needs coffee every day by any means, but like when I am exhausted, it's nice to have it. We don't have any way of making coffee here at the house yet. We need kitchen appliances. That's one thing we're really lacking on. So I'm still so tired. And then we came back, unloaded the car, cooked some lunch. All around a very good day. My sleep deprivation is kicking in. So finally, sorry for this very long talking clip, just catching you up to speed. I'm now about to, tonight, Friday night, me and Janine and our friend Casey and Shelby are all going to this Sony event tonight. It's called like Lost in Music or something. Sounds really cool, and there are a lot of performers that are gonna be there as well, including, I think the headliner is Khalid, whose concert I'm also going to in New York next week, the day after my birthday. So it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna get ready. Heading out. Ladies in black.
Always.
Hey Casey. Hi. At a Sony event. What up, Shelby? Okay. We have marshmallow people. What in the world was that? We walk in and they said, "Welcome to Lost in Music" in unison. They were just regular people. It was weird. Is this Vegas? What is it?
Look at him. I made love.
When Janine recognizes the brother from Soy 101. Is it him? I don't know.
I was sitting there for 30 minutes like, where do I know that guy? And then it clicked that that guy was Justin from Soy 101.
Thank you so much, Elaine.
He's like such a happy guy. He's so smiley. I loved all of that. I can't wait to watch this all again next week, truly. We're now getting some food at this sushi place. We got the squad out here. Good morning, vlog fam. It is Saturday. Here is my bed. We are still working off the floor. I really need to, that's on my to-do list today. I need to order a bed frame, just like figure out my bed situation. Ideally figure out my desk situation. I'm still waiting on this girl on the OfferUp app who has a desk that I want. So hopefully it'll work out with her. If not, I need to get on that. I have so many boxes I need to like unpack and just like hang and figure out stuff. And right now, exciting news, we're finally about to have a couch and he is about to be here anytime. So I'm so excited to finally have a place that's not just a beanbag to sit downstairs. In the absence of real furniture and real cups, actually we do have real cups now. We got those, but those are in the wash, so they're not operable yet. You sit on the stairs and you drink water out of a mug. We have a couch. It looks kind of brown on camera. It's great. Something about having a bed on the floor just makes it so much easier to lay on because you just walk in the room and here it is, and then somehow you just fall down on it. Been chilling for a minute. Velvet pillows, great things to exist, I will say. I got these from IKEA yesterday. We have these cases. It's just like you bought the insert and then you bought the pillowcase. That one looks better. This one really needs to be ironed. Only in LA January do you need neither the heat or the AC for it to be the perfect temperature throughout your whole house. We're not even using it at all and it feels great. I'm gonna do a little cooking while I watch some YouTube vids because I'm starving. Also, since I'm thinking about it, I'm just gonna show you guys how annoying this is. This is the one qualm I have with this place. So one of our cabinets, you open, I'm not gonna do it all the way, but we have this really cute light fixture that is very poorly designed because as you can see, it hits it. So if you open it like at all and just like let it go, it slowly but surely will whack into that. And like when the light's on, it's so scary and it flickers and like, it's just like a, I don't know, something bad's gonna happen with this. I need to figure out a solution for like, as you can tell, this isn't even all the way open because when it's all the way open, that's when it hits that. Like I need to figure out just like what to do to make that not happen so that the door doesn't open all the way. But I like that all of the drawers and cabinets and everything are the kinds that like you can't slam, you know what I mean? And they slowly close. I'm also a fan of this like backsplash little lighting that we have going on. I don't know why today I have been really craving Brussels sprouts. That's like my favorite food of the moment. I got these at dinner a couple nights ago with Janine and I don't know why I'm just craving like roasted vegetables. That's what I'm gonna make for my lunch. So yeah, I just made Brussels sprouts. I don't know why this sounded so appealing. I used to hate when my roommates in college would cook Brussels sprouts because I thought they smelled so bad. And now, I mean, they still don't smell like great when you're cooking them or when they're just like fresh. I think this smells so good and I can't wait to eat these. I guess it is about time I start unpacking some things. I don't think I showed this, but yesterday at IKEA, I got these two frames. I was gonna just have like the one here with like a big print in it and move that one somewhere else, but for the time being, they are just stacked here. They're not centered obviously, but I don't know, I'm kind of feeling the like frame on frame look. So back before I moved out here, I ordered a bunch of prints from Artifact Uprising, mostly because they have this calendar that I love. You can like hook it up to your Instagram and put a bunch of pictures on there and whatever. And I had this last year and I loved it. Here's my picture for January. Me and Caroline with the hooray thing because it's our B-Day month. And then I also, since I was ordering, there were a bunch of pictures that didn't make it into the calendar. So I thought I'd print a few extras because I know these will go around my room in various places. So I'm just displaying that. And I think this will probably go above my desk, I'm thinking. So what we are cooking, I was gonna make this little Mexican quinoa bowl. It's like one of my favorite things to cook, but we are short on pans and we have no pots and no lids, so we can't really make quinoa without getting super creative. So I'm doing a little one pan dinner, a couple little chicken strips, broccoli, sweet potato with some cayenne pepper on it, and a little spicy element. We're gonna let all that cook and just drinking some wine. Gosh, I wish. Drinking some lime water all day today. I've been just like squeezing a little lime into my drinks. I don't know why I'm so tired today. I just took a nap. I'm still tired. I've been tired since the moment I woke up. But yeah, just as an update on the whole vegan thing. So I know that was a conversation for a minute. For the first 2 weeks of January, my family just went vegan. And I have a few takeaways. Obviously I'm cooking chicken right now, so I'm not fully sticking with that at the moment. This really was more just like out of convenience. I did like pick up some chicken just in case because I don't know like what meals I was gonna be throwing together, because I also didn't get tons and tons of groceries since I am leaving for New York next weekend with Dote. I'm so excited. We're going to the Khalid concert. Even though I just saw him, I sound like the like #1 fan of his, but I mean I know like his popular songs, and now of course since I knew I was going to that concert, I've been listening to a bunch of his other stuff. and I really like it. But it's funny because it's like 2 shows in 1 week, and it's really just out of coincidence. I don't know. But yeah, last night he was so cute. He's just like the smiliest, like, I don't know, you can tell he was having a lot of fun. You can tell he's very like humble dude and like appreciates his success, if you will. So, and he's only 19, which is crazy. And I should stop this music for copyright purposes. So, what was I talking about? Veganism. First takeaway, and I am sticking with this so far. Adrian's texting me a lot. All right, so previously I was the biggest cheeseaholic person. I know I talked about that a little, I believe, in vlogs. I could literally put cheese on everything. I still could, but at this point I just don't really think about it anymore because I went like a little bit without it. And my skin, you guys, cleared up so much. Not even like big, like noticeable things, but like just in my forehead. And when I got a facial before, the lady told me I needed to cut out dairy because of this. But like I would have like pretty much like my whole forehead, like really tiny, like, I don't know, just like my pores were filled, you know what I mean? Even though they weren't like zits, it was just like, I felt congested like under my face. And now, ever since I cut out dairy, we are doing way better with that. Yeah, I don't know, I just feel better. I'm remembering that I had cheesecake at home that I never finished. When I celebrated my birthday with my family at home. I did in fact eat cheesecake because why not? But that's the latest on that. I still plan to, I don't know, I'm not like calling myself a vegan, but I plan to still eat as plant-based as possible. And yeah, I mean, I didn't buy any dairy at the store, which has never happened in my life. I feel like we are making progress, people. Like I said when I started, you don't have to be extreme. I felt like this was just like a good way to kickstart some healthier choices. Dinner is served. I also randomly paired half an avocado with this for no real reason other than I ate half of one yesterday, and then this has been sitting in the fridge, so I wanted to use it up. And since I put a lot of cayenne pepper on these because I really like spicy things, I thought that would be a good like cooling agent to balance it out. Yeah, so that's my dinner. It would be quite satisfying to have a chair to sit on for this, but oh well. I'm gonna go use a box as my table. I'm going to watch little YouTube videos as I did earlier when I was, actually maybe I'll try Netflix. The last time I tried it, my family was using all of our screens. And then I think I might do a little workout in here, just like get my like blood flowing, get a little energy. And I might take a bath, use a bath bomb, because I actually shipped those with me. No, someone's using our account. It started it and then it stopped. So plans changed. Ended up not working out or editing or taking a bath because Shelby texted me and asked what I was doing since she is right next door because we're neighbors, which is so fun. She just came over and we drank some wine, watched an episode of Black Mirror. So we did that. I'm about to go to bed. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off this vlog because I feel like there's probably enough footage to combine these 2 days. I'm finally going to be doing a big home decor haul, which I've kept promising, but I just never did it because stuff's like tucked away under like piles of crap that I just like need to unpack. I think I'll be doing that in my next main channel moving vlog. I think I'm gonna be posting those over there every like Wednesday-ish. That is all, and I will see you guys in my next vlog.